Yes, today I really want to tell about my brother because he is the one who I admire most in my family. My brother is 22 years old. He is tall and has a well-proportioned body. He has a soft black hair. People love my brother because his character rather than his appearance. Um, he is good at chatting with others, cooking, singing. He is also friendly, easygoing, and kind. He is willing to help everybody. That I like most of him is his humor. He usually tells me many jokes. Um, he always, I always feel happy when I stay with him. He always knows how to make me feel like this when I feel down. Whenever I have troubles, I always talk to him. Uh, Even though we are very far each other, he helps me solve the problems by the, giving um, advice and support. Um, there's nothing about him that I don't like, and I sure when you miss him, you really definitely like him too. Thank you.